Yeah, man, this is my favorite colorway, guys. Favorite colorway. This is the one, the Stranger Things pack. Got some Jordan 13s. They got the Zoom Fly Special, the noise canceling. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are in East LA for another Nike outlet video. So yeah, I wanna thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all my viewers. Those of you that have been viewing my channel for quite some time. I've only been doing this for what, 3 months? 3 months and a couple weeks, and the growth has been awesome. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for all my early subscribers, you guys. I appreciate all your comments. I appreciate all your input. I'm learning from you guys as well. So thank you so much for all of you guys that leave comments and let me know what you think, guys. I really do appreciate that. Oh, okay. This is the Nike outlet out in East LA. It's one of the bigger outlets, man. They got all kinds of stuff here. So yeah, let's look around, you guys. Oh, by the way, they do have a 20. I can see in the way back 20% off the hash wall. This is one of the stores with a better hash wall. Except, I don't know, Long Beach might take that title, man. They had all kinds of stuff last week, man. I was hella surprised. So we'll see. We'll see if this one can beat that one. All right, before we even check out that hash wall, let's look at that heat wall. Look at that heat wall, you guys. Not bad. Not bad. They might not have that much in the aisles with that stuff, but yeah, let's go check it out, you guys. Okay, we're in the size 10s. That's what I wear. So yeah, got the Kyrie 5s. What is this? I don't know which colorway this is. It's not because I know they do have an all black one, don't they? I don't know, but yeah, this is going for retail though. Retail, you do get that 20% off, but not an amazing deal. Got the cookies and cream, 109, not bad, 20% off.
Cookies and cream?
It's like 80 bucks or something, or $87. Okay, oh man, dude, 109, you guys, for these Pro Tro 10.5. That's exactly the one that I got, the MLPS one, my favorite colorway. I'm hoping mine's still good, dang, because I may or may not have dropped a little soy sauce. Dang, dude, that's just so stereotypical, the Asian dude dropping soy sauce. All right, let's keep it going. Before I get in trouble. All right, yeah, man, this is my favorite colorway, guys. Favorite colorway. Yeah, it's not bad, you guys. 110, 20% off. It's like a little under 90 bucks, $87, you guys. Oh, I've never even seen these before. Air Max 95s, going for retail. Get that 20%, but yeah. Never seen this one. Oh, it's like a synthetic material. Synthetic material up here. Got some patent. Oh no, this it's like buck leather right there. A few different colors. That's pretty cool. A little pricey, but if you go for 170, you get that 20% off. Got the Vomeros for you runners. I'm surprised. This is a wide. Dang, these are extra wide. But yeah, man, I love these. I've seen them for way cheaper though. Seems kind of high. Seems a little bit high. So the Pegasus 35s, 85 bucks, so 20% off. Man, that's like what, $17 off? Yeah, it's down to like 70 bucks. That's the deal right there. It's got some Pegasus turbos. Yeah, I feel like at the clearance center I've seen this for like 105 or something. But yeah, I get that 20% off. Drops down to under 100. Dang, a bunch of these have been returned lately, guys. The Cortez, this is the one, the Stranger Things pack one. It's the one where you certain areas there's denim underneath, and people have been burning them. They've been taking their sanders and their, I don't know what other devices, their their grinders and stuff like that, and they've been taking it apart. You can see some disastrous videos online regarding that, but yeah, these just came out, what, 3 weeks ago? 120. You get that 20% off though. Not bad. See, I don't understand the pricing scheme. How is this 150, you guys? How is this 150? I've seen these as low as 100 bucks at different outlets, and even at warehouse shoe sales. I've seen this for 100 bucks. That's nuts. That's insane, you guys. I don't know why anybody would pay that much. The 34s out now. Got another pair. Still going for 150, I guess. $30 off though. Still. Drops down to 120. Still a little high.
Rent is too damn high. Rent is too damn high.
Vapor Maxing for 130? 130? Oops, I'm dropping stuff. But yeah. These Vapor Max going for 130, not bad. Seen them cheaper, 130, but you get that 20% off. Kind of makes 9.5, 10 areas, you guys, because they got heat. Look, day breaks. These aren't one of the limited ones, but yeah, the day breaks. Those aren't easy to find. Got some Jordan 13s. Oh wait, they're the cleats though. $100. $100, you get that 20% off. Oh dang, I'm just dropping stuff left and right now. Dang, these still go for retail. That's right, I've seen these for way cheaper online somewhere. Another Stranger Things? Dang, is the resale just not there? Like people just thought it would sell like crazy and no? Yeah, that's crazy. Got the Tinker 3s. They go for retail, got that 20% off, but on the Nike website they had them for way cheaper. Shop around, you gotta shop around. Dang, I had an opportunity to buy these for $60-some. 99 plus 30% off. No, 95 plus 30% off something? I don't know. I'll put a link to the video on that, but dang, these go for retail. That's crazy. I knew I should have copped those. They didn't fit perfectly, so that's kind of why. Not a fan of the fit on those. Jordan 1 React. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this. Big fan of the React, but I don't know, the top, man, I swear they messed it up by putting all this crazy stuff on top. They're not terrible though, they're not terrible. Maybe if they hit the outlets like for cheaper, like instead of retail, because let's go for retail plus 20% off. That's still too high. Okay, they got a few more Vapor Max 129. Both go for 129. I don't see anything for resale, you guys. Nothing for resale. Dang, this clearance section is mediocre today. Look like they got heat, but everything's MSRP. This MSRP for that's crazy. You get that 20, but still, that's still not that much of a discount. Yeah, they got these. They got the Zoom Fly Special, the noise canceling. The noise canceling is pretty much all white. They put a bunch of holes in it. Not the biggest fan. Like the switch looks cool. Feel before play. Okay, not bad, but not a fan. Not a fan. They had a whole line of the noise canceling series, a bunch of Jordans and a bunch of stuff, but yeah, not a fan of those. This outlet is tripping today, you guys. Look, these are the Chinese New Year's, I believe. Man, they want retail minus 20%. Man, this clearance wall is, I don't know, it's mediocre today. They got some more Tinkers. They still asking for retail. Get that 20% off, but yeah, they got another set of Tinkers. Holy crap! Must have got a shipment on those. See these PG3s too. These are some Mamba colorway, I think. But yeah, they're asking for 110. Still get that 20, but I don't know if it's worth it. And I finally found something for possible resale. This Nike Odyssey React. These will sell for like $80-90 online. $60. I think it'd be like 50 something. So I don't think the profit's there. I really wanted to, but yeah, like I said, I don't like having. I said before, I don't like having sits. I don't like having items sit. Like I just need to sell stuff pretty quick. So I'd rather make a little bit less and sell stuff pretty quickly. So that's a no. We're gonna leave it. Dang, you guys, look at this. 190. That's crazy, man. This a Vapor Max. Man, this place is tripping, you guys. Man, they're asking for way too much for everything. It's crazy. We're in the Jordan section. Got a bunch of 312. Oh, these finally got that 20% off back. They were gone for a little bit, but I guess they didn't sell without it. Got a couple more 20% off. But look at that. That I would say is a steal, but these are not selling. These aren't selling. I don't know. I'm not a fan of that back stuff right there. Kind of like the lasers. Don't mind the front. Or just the back, I don't know. 80 bucks though. I've not seen those for any cheaper than that, 80 bucks. Cheapest I've seen these. Can't resell them because these are like one of the least popular ones, but this actually does have some arch support. I do have a pair of these that I wear, but they actually do have a little bit of arch support for sandals, so not the worst deal. Not bad. Pretty decent budget option for those of you guys on a tight budget. Not bad. This might even be better. Carry fly traps. Duke colorway might be better. Okay, see now the regular aisles got some decent deals. He's going for 80 something, not bad. Close to 90 bucks. Still not bad. Being that the MSRP is what 160, and they go for 80 something, yeah, 50% off. That's not bad. I felt bad for those people who paid full price for this, because these retail for what 225, and now it's selling for what 120. Yeah, these aren't that bad. These aren't that bad, but yeah. But there's just a list of shoes I'd rather get. List of shoes. 120 for these. I did buy these for 100 at Shoe Palace. So yeah, so it's not the greatest deal, but look, they're all the bigger sizes. That's weird. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not weird, because the smaller size always sell first. So yeah, that sounds about right. They do got 110.5, which is the one that I got. But yeah, that's not bad. Not bad. Just not as good as what I got. That's a steal, you guys. I think I paid a little bit less than that, but yeah, come with full boxes. Got some of this 10. Got up to 10.5 for the smallest one's 10.5, but that's a steal right there. This I think this nubuck, right? This not bad, you guys. Really isn't. I paid 100 for these. Not bad though. For you foam heads. Yeah, it's kind of pricey, but look, yeah, the retail is $250, so not bad. Comes with the full box and everything. Those of you guys who like foams, man, it's a good deal. These are kind of the same price we saw last time, so I'm not gonna sit there and talk about them too much. $100. Oh, these are $100 at Shoe Palace. All right, I don't see any big time heat at the women's section. But these are going for 134. These are cool. 270s. Not bad. Not bad. Nike drop top? I've never heard of these. Look at the weird tag it comes with. I was like, did someone leave the receipt? I don't know. Didn't even look that great. There's just some synthetic materials. Oh, pretty mediocre. No, oh man, I wish they had these for guys. But you know what? I've had the opportunity to buy these for 50, 60 bucks. I did take them, so I stopped complaining. I did get my girl these. These do have the Zoom Air, full-length Zoom Air. Super comfortable. How much else in the women's section today, you guys? Let's go check out the kids. Here like a month ago. I think it's been, what, 3-4 months ago? And these lasers were here last time. These 4 lasers, Jordan 4 lasers. And you know, now they got 2. And they're still trying to get retail for them. Oh, that confuses me. That's crazy. We got these Jordan 4s. Yeah, it's like Jordan 4 week or something. We got these for GS. These go for retail too. Yeah, there's something weird with this clearance section today. Damn, look at this, 45 bucks. You guys really? I didn't get that 20% off, but come on now. Come on now, man. That ain't much of a discount at all. Oh, not bad. Look at this. 5 wide. Dang, 40 bucks. 40 bucks, 20% off. That comes out to what? $32? $32. Not bad. That's React shoes for kids too, man. React got that comfort, man. Nice. Damn, I had the opportunity to buy these for like 35 bucks. I should have bought them and resold them. Dang it. That was a mistake. These are super comfortable, super nice. 312 for kids. 312 for other kids. or other colorway for 312s. Carry forth Duke colorway for kids. Dang, they had the Jordan 13 cap and gown for kids, and those bad boys are sold out. Dang, they had them for cheap. They had them for like 80 bucks something. So, all right, that's about it, you guys. There really wasn't much, you guys. We're out. We're out. Dang, you guys. This is usually one of my favorite locations, and there was nothing. That clearance section was, that shit was tripping me out, because normally they got some pretty steep discounts, but I don't know if they didn't have anything in the back, so they just, you know, but they wanted to say, hey, we got 20% off, so they hiked the prices back up. I don't know. That was just strange, because I've never seen so many things at regular price, and they're not even like brand new things. They were like things that have been out for a while. So I don't know, you guys. Yeah, sorry there really wasn't much, you know, but you know, they had stuff, but it was just the prices were a little bit high. So, you know, can't win every time, I guess. So yeah, you guys know I'm headed out to another Nike outlet right after. So, you know, I'm definitely gonna have more content coming. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I missed out on any deals. I don't know, were there any deals that were out there? Yeah, let me know, you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you join me in the next one, you guys. Peace.